Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I'll be showing you exactly how to make caramel popcorns at home. It is so simple. These popcorns were so nice. I love them so much. Thank you so much for coming to watch my video. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's begin. So in a pan that has 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on low flame, add your popcorns and then give that a toast to ensure that the popcorns are well mixed with the oil, and then cover it for the popcorns to start popping. Yeah, you can see they have already started popping. Make sure that the lid is well secured so the popcorns do not fly over the pan, and once they are fully popped, set them aside. Now it's time to make the caramel, and in a pan on low flame again, add 1 cup of sugar and then allow that to melt. Do not stir. And then add 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine once it has started melting. Give that a mix everything together, and be sure to use very low flame so that the caramel does not burn. And once you get a nice golden brown color, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and then give that a good mix. It will start to bubble up and look so nice, and the color will even become lighter, and the caramel is ready. Now start adding the popcorns and then give that a very good mix. And once you're done mixing, spread the popcorns on a baking tray that has a baking paper on it so that the popcorns do not stick, and then spread them evenly so that they can dry up. And after the caramel is fully dried up on the popcorns are ready to enjoy. I love them so much. I hope you try them out, and thank you so much for watching my video. See you on the next one.